Are you having problem with messenger calls not showing up on the screen? In today's video, we are going to solve exactly that. First of all, please go to the settings. Now scroll it down until you find the app section. Now you need to search for messenger. You can either scroll it down or you can just search on the top right corner. Now under the permission section, you need to make sure that microphone is allowed, and several other options also should be allowed, such as camera, music and audio. Now press the notification bell and you need to make sure that this is allowed. If you click on this, even if the app is closed and if someone calls you, it will pop up and start vibrating, or it will show on the notification bar if any call arrives. So this will help you with the problem. That's it. That's how you solve this problem. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give it a like.